Hello, hello. Good to see you. You get fairy dust. I get fairy dust. Amelie gets fairy dust. And please join me for my Zoom call tomorrow. It'll be at 5 p.m. Eastern, 4 Central, and we're going to talk about all kinds of corona stress, corona anxiety, corona depression, COVID, funk, grieving, and how we're grieving and what we're grieving. I can't wait to see you there. It only costs $5 per Zoom call. You can come live or listen to the recording later, or you can pay $20 for a monthly pass where you get access to every single Zoom call if you are interested. So I will see you there. The link is in the bio, or you can comment below to let me know you want to come, and then Anne will send you the link. So just comment in the bio. Comment if you want to attend. Okay, love you. Bye.